pour a little olive oil on your faucet, and the Limescale will slide right off, preventing new buildup for up to 4 weeks. This is a trick every homemaker should know. Limescale and residue on faucets or in the shower are a common problem, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high amounts of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which settle on surfaces and create stubborn stains. That's why regular cleaning and proper care are so important. Before applying olive oil, wipe the faucet with a damp cloth. This step is essential, otherwise the oil won't work. Then dry it thoroughly with a towel. Now it's time for the olive oil. Don't pour it directly onto the faucet. Instead, use a piece of paper towel, put a small amount of olive oil on it, and rub it into the surface of the faucet, shower handle, or flush button. Keep rubbing until there's no greasy layer left. This way, water won't cling to the surface, and limescale, streaks, and residue won't return. With this method, your bathroom will stay shiny and spotless. Enjoy cleanliness and freshness for a long time.